countif. Okay, the range, I'm gonna say here, let's say all of them, 200. Okay, this is the count, and show me how many west, equal to west. We can just do it like this, equal to west. Come on. Okay, I know. All right. Okay, it's gonna show me I have 53 west in this part. Okay, it means I'm having 53 west transaction within this year. If I put, let's say, B, the product, I'm just changing here to make it easy for us. Okay, we have this. B, how many, not west, how many oil? This is just counting for you, number. It's not summation, it's nothing, something like this. Okay, that's very simple. We can do like that, and we can just apply like this. It's equal to countif this range. Why I'm writing like this? Okay, this range when it is less than 200, no, 300, 400, maybe a bit, 400, and close it. Let's check how many. 40 records are less than 400 in this amount. Okay, that's very simple.